Meaning of Deathwatch beetle.
Deathwatch beetle.
Deathwatch beetle.
Deathwatch beetle.
Deathwatch beetle. The deathwatch beetle is a wood-boring insect known for the ticking sound it makes that was once thought to predict impending death. However, this notion was likely a superstition and has been largely discredited. The beetle's larvae feed on wood, causing structural damage to buildings if left untreated. Adult beetles are typically black or brown and can range from 6 to 12 millimeters in length. Proper pest control measures can prevent infestations and protect wooden structures from damage caused by these beetles.